Hi all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Afroz. I'm a professional makeup artist based out of Bangalore. I now offer online and offline self-grooming classes. If you are interested, please do contact me on the number mentioned in the description box. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a quick, easy and long-lasting makeup which you can do when you're on vacation. If you're interested to know how this look is created, please continue watching this video. Let's start with sunscreen. I'm using the one from Paula's Choice. This is my travel pack, the little tiny pack. When you are on vacation, let's never forget the sunscreen, guys. When I'm on vacation, I choose this sunscreen in particular because this is so thin in nature, gets absorbed in skin immediately, and also it is best under makeup. It doesn't make your makeup look cakey or make your skin look greasy or oily after like some hours of the day. Moving on with the concealer, I'm using the one from Natasha Denona. Depending on the location you have chosen for your vacation, it is important you also choose your makeup products according to that. If it is a very humid weather location, you want to take products which are very light on skin and not heavy formulas. So if you are going to a place where it's too humid, hot weather, I prefer concealers which are very thin in nature, especially this one from Natasha Denona. It has full coverage and also it's very thin in nature. The one from Maybelline Fit Me is also a very good option to be used in a hot, humid weather conditions. I might want to skip the corrector when I'm on vacation. I don't want to use it every day when I'm on vacation because it takes a bit longer to have your makeup routine completed. And the whole purpose to do makeup when you're on vacation is to have an even skin tone and look good in pictures when you click and also look fresh throughout the day. So it is okay to skip a corrector when you're on a vacation. I'm using the foundation from Milani. This foundation is medium to full coverage. It is buildable and it is a very long lasting formula. A little product goes a long way with this formula. I'm just taking a little bit on the brush and stretching the product as much as I can across my face so that I use least of the product possible. The thinnest layer of makeup you keep when you're on vacation, it's best for you. It will last long without making it too cakey or greasy. As always, let's do eyebrows before setting the base. I will be only filling the gaps in my eyebrows. I'm not targeting to define them too much. Now setting my base using the mineral powder from Innisfree. I like this powder a lot because the way it is formulated, it never feels like that you have applied any powder on the face. So light. It is so light in weight that it is perfect for when you are on vacation. I'm only applying the powder in the places where I feel I get a little oily through the day. Using this palette for today's look, I'll be using the shade from here. As a personal choice, when I'm on vacation, I don't like any shimmer on my eyes and I like to carry light makeup products with me. So I always carry small eyeshadow palettes like this which are very helpful and very neutral and you can use at any time, maybe in the day or in the night. It has shimmers if you want it to be used in the night. Also has a matte options which you can use in the daytime, but I mostly go with matte eyeshadows when I'm on vacation. This palette is from Natasha Denona and it's called Biba. Just taking the same shade on the lower waterline. Blush, I'll be using this one from Milk Makeup. I prefer taking the blush on the brush like this, dapping it on back of my hand before taking it on my face because it's very pigmented again. And this color is perfect. It makes your face look very fresh and happy. This is one of the brush I know which lasts long. I have seen some days where I'm trying to take off the makeup with the makeup remover. Makeup comes off but the blush stays intact on the skin. So I prefer blushes like this on vacations which never goes off throughout the day. Running over the same brush on the nose also to give a look of the very happy fresh looking skin. Now bringing back some warmth to the face, I'll be using Hoola Benefit Bronzer Powder. I don't really need to sculpt. but just to bring a little bit of warmth back on the skin. I surely want to do some bronzing on my forehead to get that sun-kissed look. It is a nice look to have when you're on vacation. It's absolutely fine even if you get a little heavy-handed with the bronzing on forehead. Isn't this giving you that vibe that, okay, you're on vacation, you got tanned, also you're looking fresh, happy, and that blush on the face is making you look happy and healthy. So that's the whole purpose. I want the lips to look little fresh and juicy today, for which I don't want to use a lipstick. I'll be using a lip liner and a lip gloss straight away. Lip liner is the one from PAC. This is called Barely Brown. Using the same lip liner, I'll be filling my lips, especially in the corners. Using a lip gloss from Maybelline, this is in the shade Petal. Now this is perfect, guys. This is giving you a perfect, happy and healthy looking skin, and it's perfect for the vacation makeup look. The last thing we need to do is the mascara. For mascara, I'm using the one from MAC Stack. So this is my final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did like watching this video, hit on the thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and do share this video with your friends and family. Until my next time.